I charge on YouTube top 10 place to visit in USA. Then you can see here are lots of video and every single video got millions views. Exactly, I'm going to show you how to create this type of video using AI. It's called like InVideo. So this link I will achieve in my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to log in with your Gmail. Once you have done it, here are type your video title. Example purpose, I write here top 10 place to visit in USA 2025. Then just click on generate a video. Otherwise I just copy this one, cut, then make an explainer video, then select your video length 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes and 10 minutes. So I select 3 minutes. I create this video only for you and for education purpose only. So I select my platform YouTube, then paste my title. Then if you want to add relevant information, how to start and end, and exactly you can write, you describe which type of video you want to. So this is crazy, right? So here are use only stock media. So I select this one because this is a free account. So background music, so click here. Then I want to add travel background music because this is a travel type video and everything are good. Then click on voice actors. So just click on voice, then you can add any voice accent. This is no matter, everything are everybody are good. Then click on generate. Oh, it's working right now perfectly. Then I'm waiting few seconds for the whole analyzing data. Once you have done this process, you need to select stock media. Then I select travel and this is inspirational and YouTube. This everything are good. If you click on generative media, this is a paid method, but I skip this method. I create video only free method. Then click on continue. Then is the final step. Now I need to check everything good or not good. So I want to click
Hey there,
on here.
fellow travelers. If you're itching to explore some epic spots in the USA this year, then buckle up because I've got a...
You need to check full video. Then if you have found any mistake, just click on edit button and you can edit everything and anything. If you want to change this picture and you want to add your own photo and video, this is everything are possible. And here are music and script setting, everything are possible to change. So I don't need to change here. I just click on download, then click on stock watermark, then click on normal. Then 180 pixel are good for me. If you have a paid account, just select on no watermark and subtitle and on it, then click on download. So I select the free method, everything, then click on continue. Wow, it's already working right now. So this is a method how you can create any type of video using this InVideo AI tool. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.
Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're itching to explore some epic spots in the USA this year, then buckle up because I've got a list of must-visit destinations for 2025. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have the vibrant city of Austin, Texas. Known for its live music scene, mouth-watering BBQ, and quirky festivals, Austin is a haven for culture lovers and foodies alike. Trust me, you won't regret adding this to your list. Next, let's head over to the picturesque landscapes of Sedona, Arizona. Red rock formations, mystical vortexes, and endless hiking trails make this destination a spiritual and adventurous paradise, perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. Now, for the beach lovers out there, Miami, Florida is calling your name. pristine beaches, an electric nightlife, and a melting pot of cultures make Miami a top spot for 2025. Don't forget to hit up Little Havana for some Cuban flair. If you're a fan of the great outdoors, you can't miss Yellowstone National Park. Spanning across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, this park offers geysers, hot springs, and wildlife galore. It's nature at its finest. Ready for some southern charm? Charleston, South Carolina delivers with its historic streets, delectable cuisine, and warm hospitality. A stroll down Rainbow Row is like stepping back in time. Heading west, San Francisco, California should be on everyone's radar. The Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz Island, and those iconic cable cars are just the tip of the iceberg. San Francisco is a city that never ceases to amaze. For a taste of luxury and entertainment, Las Vegas, Nevada is your go-to. From world-class shows to extravagant casinos, Vegas is the ultimate playground for adults. Just remember, what happens in Vegas, well, you know the rest. Let's not forget about the history buffs. Washington, D.C. is a treasure trove of monuments, museums, and political landmarks. The National Mall, Lincoln Memorial, and Smithsonian museums will leave you in awe. Craving a bit of winter wonderland? Head to Aspen, Colorado. Renowned for its ski resorts, upscale boutiques, and vibrant après-ski scene, Aspen is the perfect winter escape. Lastly, we have the enchanting New Orleans, Louisiana. Known for its jazz music, Mardi Gras celebrations, and tantalizing Creole cuisine, New Orleans offers a unique blend of cultures and traditions. There you have it, 10 incredible destinations across the USA to add to your 2025 travel bucket list. Pack your bags, hit the road, and make some unforgettable memories. Happy travels, everyone.